What are you doing, Zach? Are they even coming out? Yeah, they're coming out. Alright, there we go. Three.
I want to see if I can put a hole through it. No. If I miss.
I think you did put a hole in